Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Naveed Muhammad Pharmacology Lectures, Department of Pharmacy, Abdul Ali Khan University, Mardan, Pakistan. In this video, we will discuss canonical forms. What is the canonical form? The various possible structures of a compound presenting a resonance, having a resonance. So all those contributing structures which are resulting from delocalization of pi electrons, they are known as canonical forms. These canonical forms are also known as contributing structures, resonating structures, alternative structures. The canonical forms, they are of two types. One is known as major canonical forms, and the next is minor canonical forms. So, for example, these are the canonical forms of benzene. So, these two are the major canonical forms, and these two are minor canonical forms. So, what is the difference? And this is the resonance hybrid. What is the resonance hybrid structure? The average possible structures of all contributing structures. This is the average possible structure, this structure is near to rare structure. So major canonical forms, they having maximum structural similarity to resonance hybrid. Look here, these two canonical forms, they having more structural similarities to this resonance hybrid. And these canonical forms, they having minimum energy difference, and they are more stable, they are less reactive. While these minor canonical forms, they having minor similarities with this resonance hybrid, they having more energy level, they are less stable and more reactive. Now, facts about canonical forms.